is box breathing. We want to make sure your pelvis and your rib cage are nice and set. You're not kind of arching your back or doing any type of weird stuff. We want to try to really focus on breathing. Your diaphragm breathing is the top part of your core. So if you're having lower back issues or postural issues or just sometimes not activating your core correctly, sometimes your breathing mechanics are just awful. So we're in a very stress-induced area, so we kind of like breathe with our shoulders and chest more. We want to try to get away from that, because if not, your neck tension and shoulder tension are not going to go away. So this is a 90-90 box breathing session. So what she's doing, she's laying on her back. She has a 90-degree bends in her hip and her knee, and honestly her feet. What she's doing here is I put a platform here so that she can drive her heels into this platform just enough to activate her hamstrings and barely lift her butt off the ground. What this is doing is trying to get the pelvic tilt position out of that. So she's not arching her back, it's kind of slowly just kind of tilting it into a neutral position. So what she's gonna do is lightly drive here, lift her butt off the ground just a hair, and what she's going to do now, the box breathing part, think of a box. You're going to breathe in the nose for 5 seconds, you're gonna hold for 5 seconds, you're going to breathe out for 5 seconds, hold for 5 seconds, and you're gonna do that for 5 cycles. Here we go. Setup. She's gonna drive her heels into the table, the bench, barely lift the butt off the ground. She's gonna have her hands here on her belly, because that's where I'm gonna make her try to focus. And now we're gonna breathe in the nose for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blow out through the mouth, like you're blowing out a candle far away. 3, 4, 5. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Through the nose. This is the breath cycle that we want you to focus on. So the whole thing is, I want her to try to keep on going through the cycle, is to try to think of letting all the air out when it's here and holding, controlling, and then when she's breathing, her hand should go back up when she's breathing. Now, we have a tendency to want to like mouth breathe a lot. So this one, even if you forget to breathe out through the mouth to try to blow out a candle, focus on the nose if it makes it simple. Expand the nose, expand the sinus cavities, but think of it all going down here to the bottom part of your stomach if you can, okay? This is designed to help relax the tissue, get your body to function functionally again. So when we start exercising, you will hopefully pair it with breathing so you don't get tired and fatigued. So try this every single day.